Okay, this project I'm working on is a door where looks like a dog bit off a corner of it down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of wood that's the same thickness, cut it out, and put it right in there. We'll see how it goes. I measured up 8 by 11 piece of the door, which covered the damaged area. Then I sawed out up to the corner where I'm going to hacksaw the rest of it to get that piece out. Now it has been painted. Taped it up and painted it. I kind of skipped that part because I think everybody knows how to paint. Put tape around the windows. And here is the finished product. Not bad for not having to buy a new door. You can see the little down at the bottom. Finished door with the paint and everything. Voila.